in this video I'm gonna show you how to purl 2 stitches together. So I have worked a few purl stitches here that are on my stockinette stitch wrong side, and let's say I would need to join the 2 next stitches that are on my left hand needle with a purl. So to make the purl decrease, you will insert the needle to the stitches from right to left and pick up the loops from both stitches, wrap the yarn around and pull through both stitches. And when the stitches are securely on your right hand needle, you can hold them with an index finger. You let go the old stitches. So this is how it goes. So now instead of the 2 stitches, you have 1, and you have a nice decrease here on the right side also. So let's make just a regular purl stitch in between and decrease next 2 stitches. So I go to the stitch from right to left, put the yarn over and pull through the loops and let go of the old stitch. And once again I will make another purl stitch, and let's join the 2 last stitches before the last one here on this row. So I put the needle to the stitch from right to left, wrap around the yarn and pull through to join them. And let's also work the last stitch. So this is it. Hope it helped you with your project, and see you in the next video.